My neighbor, good afternoon. I am sorry for barging in here like this, so this lovely afternoon. You see, the problem is the water in my own flat is not working, yeah? And I need to take my bath. And since you live alone, you have no responsibility, you have no wife, no husband. I was actually thinking maybe it is possible that I move into your place for a while, because they said the water in my flat will stop like that for like 1 week. So since it's just only you, maybe you move into my own flat, me I move into your own flat. Wait, I can't move into your flat. I can't bath in your place. Why? Maybe you are not married. I'm not your spec. Or is it because you see all these people? Oh, it's because of these children. That's why we come back. Because of all these children. That's why we come back in your house. Because of all these children. How many are they? How many water do they want to use that we come back in your house? No wonder you have no children. Let's go. We'll go and bath inside the river.